So many of you might have these kind of shitty Spec D headlights that have been pretty much challenged to maintain the entire time I've had them. I doubt any of them would last long enough for your turn signal bulbs to go out, but if they were to, this video is to not only rag on these headlights because they suck and I've rebuilt them several times so they'd be better, but also show you how to replace these bulbs. Now, I believe it uses the original N444s. They look exactly the same as what I pulled out. They don't tell you what bulb goes in it, so I'm assuming it's the same as the originals. But yeah, I currently have no bulbs, so when I turn on my turn signal, only the LED at the bottom turns on, but it goes fast because it doesn't have the resistance it needs. So I'll show you in like a second. So you can probably see it just flashes stupidly fast, and yeah. So I'm gonna fix that right now. Let's fix those with these bulbs. These are just regular incandescents. I want to get LEDs, but the LEDs were $30, and I'm not even sure if they're entirely the right ones anyway, so incandescents. So now to replace these bulbs, pretty simple to do, especially with the Spec D headlights, because where everything's placed, and I'm sure the originals were placed similarly. You just pull out your little water washer fluid thing, comes right out. It has one 10mm bolt right here, but after you pull that out, it's pretty much fully open for you to reach in. Then you just twist the little gray knob on the back. You grab your bulb with gloves.
Don't touch me, I'm sterile!
And it doesn't burn out, because I don't want this to burn out anytime soon. Because then I have to deal with that annoying fast flashing again. Pop it in. Make sure it's twisted in place, and test it. As you can see, the whole thing works again, so now I'm going to go to the other side. Since, even though the car's power is on, it is recommended to just turn everything off, but in my case, just because I'm doing this fast, I'm going to go hop over to the other side, pop this one on, while the car's got that side off. Okay, so it's completely popped in. I can put my washer fluid funnel back. Place. Get rid of my package. And bolt it down. And as you guys probably can see from there as well, this side is working. Let's pop you off the tripod. So that's all back to normal. So then at least I know I have the full turn signal and it'll go at normal speed. Now the problem is, it didn't only go fast up here. Obviously with all cars, if you have too low of power, it's trying to warn you that your light is out. So this will also go fast back here as well. In my case, it was doing that and it was just getting way too annoying. So now that it's fixed, these also, LEDs back here go at the right pace and everything's all good in the world.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
So I figured I'd put this video out there. It's basically for anyone changing their turn signals on an IS250. Even though these are the Spec D lights that are just absolute crap, I don't recommend anyone buys them unless you plan on rebuilding them yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching, because my dad's turning around, the tractor's gonna get really loud soon. Peace out and be legendary.